So what do you need to know about DUI in South Carolina? First, it's not illegal to drive after consuming alcohol in South Carolina. It only becomes illegal when the consumption of alcohol materially and appreciably impairs your ability to operate a motor vehicle. It's important to know your limits when drinking alcohol if you intend to drive afterward. Secondly, driving under the influence is not limited to consumption of alcohol, but also includes prescription and non-prescription drugs. It's always important to follow pharmaceutical warnings when taking prescription medication. If you are stopped for DUI in South Carolina, there are a few important things you're going to want to know. First, South Carolina has an implied consent law, which simply states a person who drives a motor vehicle in this state is considered to have given consent to chemical tests of his blood, breath, or urine for the purpose of determining the presence of alcohol or drugs, or the combination of alcohol and drugs. The most common of these tests is the breathalyzer or data master test. The results of this test may require suspension of the license of a person whose data master test shows blood alcohol content of 0.15 or higher. The duration of the suspension can range from 1 to 4 months, depending on the number of prior DUIs in the past 10 years. Refusal to submit to the data master will result in suspension of your license for 6 to 15 months, depending on the number of prior DUIs in the past 10 years. You can request an administrative hearing to have the suspension overturned. Once the hearing has been requested, you can also apply for a temporary alcohol restricted license. An attorney can help you navigate this complicated administrative process. In addition to the administrative suspension under the implied consent law, DUIs also carry criminal penalties that can include fines, additional license suspensions, and potential jail time. Depending on the blood alcohol content and the number of prior DUIs, fines can range from $400 to $10,000. Suspensions can range from 6 months to permanent, and jail time can range from 1 to 2 days to 7 years. If you're stopped for DUI in South Carolina, do not give statements to law enforcement or anyone else. Immediately ask to contact your attorney. Remain in your vehicle. Do not submit to any law enforcement tests. Be respectful but firm, and contact Smith Ammons.